dami ng oral stem cell therapy sa market. Why choose Be My Beauty Dear Placenta? What makes it different? For starters, ang Be My Beauty Dear Placenta comes in 300 mg capsules, extracted from 15,000 mg of pure, fresh deer placenta through a nanotechnology process. Ang ibig sabihin niyan, our users will get the purest form of placenta and therefore, mas effective siya. O di ba nabanggit ko na nanotechnology ang ginamit na proseso sa paggawa ng Be My Beauty Dear Placenta. Ang ibig sabihin, ang mga particles and molecules nito are so small and fine, kaya madali siyang ma-absorb ng ating katawan, making it more effective. Plus, enteric-coated tablet siya, meaning it does not get easily digested by the gastric juices. And therefore, you are assured that the minerals, the nutrients, the growth factors are absorbed in the small intestines, making it a very effective product. A compliant patient equates to an excellent repair, regeneration, restoration, and reactivation of the functions of the sick cells of your body para mas mabilis mong ma-regain ang iyong health and youthfulness.